So I am changing my cryptocurrency investing strategy. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. As you guys know, over the last couple of weeks, the crypto market has pretty much been flat. We haven't seen major rallies upwards and we haven't seen major pullbacks. We have been pretty much trading in the same place for the last couple of weeks. And as you guys know, my strategy in investing in crypto has been very simple. Pretty much invest long term in coins that I believe in, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, Uniswap, Pokedex, and a ton of other coins. So over the last 6 or 7 months, I have been accumulating positions in some of my favorite long-term coins. And along the way, I have taken profits, I have made money, I have pretty much secured bags in all the coins that I love for the long term. And as of right now, most of the coins that I am investing in for the long term, I already have dedicated amounts set aside for the next 5-10 years. So coins such as VeChain, Cardano, Pokedex, I still gotta stack up a little bit more before I have the desired amount that I will hold pretty much for the next 5-10 years. So the coins that I'm holding in my long-term portfolio, most of them I'm lending, staking, and pretty much getting paid to simply hold these coins. And I do not plan on selling anytime soon. I do not care if the market drops 10, 20, 30, 40, or even 50%. I will not be selling. My main goal is to simply hold them, accumulate more, and wait for the next bull run that's probably going to happen a couple of years from now. That is my plan with my long-term portfolio. So over the last couple of weeks, I started thinking to myself, I need a separate portfolio where I can buy coins, sell them, and take out profits. So I am deciding right now to create another separate portfolio for pretty much the short-term gains, where I'll be buying altcoins, more riskier projects that have a ton of potential to simply make profits off of them. Not to hold them for the next 5-10 years, but to simply get in, make a profit, and get out. So in the next couple weeks, I'll be sharing with you guys this portfolio that I'm pretty much building right now. I will not be investing large amounts of money because all of the coins that I will be investing in are going to be super risky. So I will be investing anywhere between $100 and $1,000 depending on the project that I am investing in. The coins that I will try to find are going to be coins that have very small market caps, that have like a catalyst behind them that can push them higher, and coins that a lot of YouTubers are simply not talking about. So I want to create this portfolio in order to make profits and in order to cash out my profits. So I want to have my long-term portfolio and my short-term gains portfolio where I pretty much focus on making as much profit as possible. But guys, remember, I am not a financial advisor, so do not take this as financial advice. What I consider safe, you might consider risky. And what I consider risky, you might not even want to touch. So please keep that in mind. Do your own research before you purchase any coin or before you follow any YouTuber and their strategies. I will just be showing you guys what coins I'm investing in, why I'm investing in them, my price targets, when I'm buying, when I'm selling, all of that information. Also guys, in the future videos, I will mention if the coin is in my long-term portfolio or my short-term portfolio. A lot of the coins in my long-term strategy are pretty boring, like Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, VeChain. These are all amazing coins, but you're not gonna see them pump 100, 200%, 300% in 1 week. They're amazing for the long term, and they're way less risky from the coins that I'm about to start investing in. Alright everybody, that is all I have for you today. Let me know in the comments section below, what do you consider the most risky coin that you are holding right now? Let me know in the comments section below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below. And as always, see you in the next one. Peace out.